How am I getting your deer out?
You offered to. So, went in there early this morning, before daylight, and this, what I thought was a doe, came in, but it was not a doe when we finally found it. And we would have never found it if it hadn't been for Molly. She helped us find the blood. I found my arrow, but I couldn't find the deer. So.
Yeah, that was a spike she pulled. I was pulling out of that creek. Hey, what can I say? I laid up in the bed this morning. She got up, went hunting, and went doe hunting. And evidently, that spike identified as a doe this morning. So he's gonna be tasting good. How'd y'all like me going in that creek for them waders? I felt like I was getting ready to baptize somebody.